Ever wondered how your smartphone could become your personal ATM? Stick around, Car, because I'm about to reveal 25 ways to turn your online time into cash. Hello. Welcome back to Bullish Banter, where we explore the best ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's jump right in. Here's how to make money with a side gig and how long it will take to see the extra income. Rounded up 25 real ways to make money at home, online, or out and about. For each potential side job, we list details like what it takes to get started, age requirements, and how fast you can get paid. While most people want to make money fast or dare, don't discount the slow gigs as they may pay more in the long run. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant, TUE. 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. 3. Learn to use AI tools. The use of generative artificial intelligence is on the rise. A recent report from PwC estimates that the North American economy will see a $3.7 trillion impact by 2030, thanks to the AI market. So there's no better time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Some AI-related side hustles include integrating AI tools as a freelancer to help you create digital products or to edit AI content for a client. Improving your advertising, marketing efforts, and management of your existing small business. Are you teaching others to use AI tools? 4. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. 5. Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way, particularly those who do affiliate marketing full-time. You can use social media or a platform like Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery? Sell your crafts on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. According to Etsy, the company has 95 million active buyers and grossed over $13 billion in merchandise sales in 2024. 7. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books as on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. 8. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark for applying to the YouTube Partner Program if you want to place ads on your channel. You can apply with 500 subscribers for other monetizing features like channel memberships, and you can also use Google's AdSense, the same ad platform on YouTube, to put relevant ads on your blog or website for earning potential. 9. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. 10. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Streamers can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status.